successful tradings.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring FlowAlgo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, welcome to the performance alerts, the alert performance review. So my apologies, folks. Right there, so you are used to this now. So we are Saturday. We go through the previous week alerts and to see how they went. So on my right hand side, we're doing this side by side. You have the alerts. So here, actually, this screen capture, the only reason why I get it on here, you're going to see a little bit that we have a stock missing here, Facebook, but our subscriber actually know that Facebook was actually our number one as we added it on Friday, I believe, after we posted this one on here. So really, on here, let's go answer a question that I've been getting a lot of this on the blog successfultradings.com. Where people go, oh, I want to subscribe to your service, but before that, could you answer this list of questions? I kid you not. I am in the process of putting an FAQ because I'm just going to be directing people to that FAQ. I'm spending a lot of time replying to them. It was great, the interaction, don't get me wrong. And for me, actually, believe it or not, did you know that your questions, when you post them on successfultradings.com, they actually help for SEO because that's an extension of the article itself. Believe it or not, Google is very big on that. So I thank you. I appreciate you. I'm not complaining. I'm just stating that it's something extra. So I welcome, please, by all means. Actually, yes, please write your comments in there. I mean, we would like also to get some positive feedback in there in the form of questions. We answer them. So quickly putting that aside on here. That's a joke, folks, in case you missed that. So putting that aside on here, let's try to see. We had a list of 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna count this. 12, right? Does it look like 12? Yes, or so. Let's see which one they didn't work out at all, so that we can get that out of the way. This one, maybe we can put it aside because the expiration is actually in July. It has monthly, so that leaves us 11. So out of these 11, the only one right for me really that I saw flat and didn't see it move on any specific day is JD. This one moved 6% on one of the day and then it retreated. So you made money on calls. You would have made money on calls on here. Adobe, obviously. So all of these, and of course, let me highlight the 10 baggers for you. Facebook was by far the biggest winner. I don't know even if let's say, I don't know if half of our subscribers they took advantage of that. That something was really from Monday through Wednesday and just posting higher highs consistently. I posted heavily on Facebook in the subscriber hangout room. We have a private room for our subscribers. WYNN, I think the 78 puts this, which was our strike for this week. They touched in the money briefly, so they paid 12% in a week, my friend. That's a lot. So 10 bagger Facebook, 10 bagger, more than 10 bagger Facebook. It's just ridiculous. There was a trader who cleverly made a 10 bagger on Netflix. I'm gonna show that to you because we have a room where we posted the 10 bagger. Yes, they did, believe it or not. And I think Nvidia had a run to a potential. I didn't measure it because I'm doing the video on Saturday. You know that the expiration on July 2nd, those option chain they are already gone. Roku had its moment, obviously. WYNN finally woke up. So had a moment compared to the previous week where it was just going sideways. We talked about Delta and anything. So out of 12 here, again, the reason I'm saying 12 because this one, the expiration is in July. So you still have plenty of time if you took Meet, you won both directions. And we made a video on how actually a strategy of just managing your overnight wish positions with a call also known as swing trades would have actually landed you big amount of money on the second time on the call side. Yes. So in terms of success rate, because I need to answer this question now to the viewers out there on the internet land, they want to know, folks. They want to know what is your percentage win on this option on these alerts of yours, Mr. Telex. You have to tell the good people of the internet land how efficient are you. So out of 11, we are going to say that JD didn't work out. This one is still, so I'm counting 11 because I'm not counting it. But every other one, okay, do we want to remove Gilead? I don't know what Gilead did. Gilead gapped up and then faded a little bit. So let's even remove Gilead. So that gives us 9 out of 11. It's our percentage win this 81%, the good people of the internet. 81% or 82% if you are generous. That's what we did this week. But 81%, my friend, doesn't represent anything. These are gains on the stock, right? So meaning in terms of your potential of making money, the money you made on Facebook or on WYNN or on Netflix being 10-bagger or on Roku or on Nvidia was way than it. So I guess, yeah, 81% will be the success rate. That's how they call it? Yeah, okay. So we're actually in the process of bringing you something that we have. We're putting together as in the back end of the tool, because how do we get these alerts for people who are going to be watching on the internet? Because that's a question. Where do you get your alert from? These are not random stocks. So we have an AI box, if you will, that we're created. No, it is not FlowAlgo. Come on now, you know that. Has nothing to do with FlowAlgo. Does it have anything to do with earning? No, please. So it's not earnings. It's not earning. They are just simple stock. Every single week, the system tells us it looks for a specific signal that we have asked it to do. I'm not going to tell you about the signal, my friend. That's my proprietary system. Come on now. So it's looking for a signal or a set of signals, should I say, and it's telling us which one are going to be moving. So meaning, does this mean that if you, on the internet land, you give me a stock that's not part of this list, because it's only a small list of stocks, really 70 of them, I'm looking for those signals over and over again. So does it mean that if you give me your stock, it will not work in this? It will work, obviously. The system is going to look for that specific signal that are coded in and tell us which week to trade that. That's really what's going on. There's no mystery onto here. So for those who are looking for consistency, we created 3 videos last week, right? We created a video on entry on bearish, entry on bullish, and how to manage your position, your swing position. With that in mind, you can confidently trade this. And okay, sometimes, a lot of times, they don't move on Monday. They don't move on Tuesday. But my friend, come Wednesday, we get some colossal gains, because data make it such that weekly options, we trade only weekly options. Why do we trade weekly options? The software or the tools that are giving us these alerts, it's set up like that because it's studying just stocks that are going to move within that week, and that's what we are trading. So you get a great confidence in terms of consistently having trades where to apply your technical knowledge. Oh, we teach technical analysis in our one-on-one coaching. So that's reason that some of our people, they thrive, and you can come in fresh, not knowing much, and being able to all of a sudden start making money. We have such example, and we will be featuring a lot of them going forward, as we have already done. We have, you can go check Mr. Jack, the med student, and then this month of past June, we had a young trader from Singapore who shared his experience before and after successful trading. So here you have it. 82% of days made you money into a given direction, but we will be getting a little bit. I'm not promising something that I don't want to give it. We have been here since what, May the 24th? Yeah, so a month and a week or so. So we're actually taking the time to be looking at the algorithm giving us a performance based on its forecast, to be able to say, hey, because we know each one of these stocks, I kid you not, whatever the year, I can tell you how many times Facebook has alerted, how many times, with the percentage of time that it has gone bullish, the percentage of time that it has gone bearish. So meaning that historical thing, it's what gives us the confidence that, hey, there is a strong consistency, no matter the nature of the market, bullish or bearish. The only thing that we know beforehand on this thing, which is for certain, is that this stock is going to be moving. The direction, we don't want to use the past to really on that. It can give us a bias, and sometimes we do that. We can bias our position in regards to a certain direction. But when we do that, we know well that, hey, if the direction happened in the opposite, if the move happened in the opposite direction, we should not be surprised, because we are in uncertain time with this great volatility. So hopefully that answers this question for all. So start next week. If somebody asks me about, what's the performance of your alert system, I'm going to refer them to the video, because we have had that, right? We have had that. This is not something new per se. We have now, let me share that. We have over 130 videos. So it was important for us to organize them into the playlist. So that's where when you join our channel, when you are visiting Successful Tradings on YouTube, you can quickly go to a playlist. So subscription, trade alerts, performance review, 8 videos. Yeah, fair enough. Does that make sense? So let's share some of the highlights that we had in our trading room, in our Discord room this week. If this tool will enable us to do that easily. So I have something playlist on here that popped up on its own. Fantastic. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, here we go. Discord is behind on here. So pretty please, the good people of Discord, can you give us this? So okay, so we go to our winners, and just to see just winners, to show you some of the win. These are actual traders, folks. Okay, I'm not sure why we are struggling with this thing today. 528. Okay, can we go any sorry, let me take this thing off. Discord does not just want to sabotage our show today. Yeah, I can share the screen. It's just that I don't want to scroll in the main video. So can I go somewhere else and then come back? Oh my goodness. Okay, folks. Okay, we do not want to reconnect. So this is the earlier of recording, so I'm not even going to bother. Oh my goodness, the system is. Oh my goodness, this thing is just too slow. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening here. Close all window on this app. So a lot of apps are just misbehaving. So, okay, that's fine. Well, at least we answer our main question. So we have traders. I wanted to share with you on here. So some of the posting that took place. Oh, here we go. Oh, at least we can share this one, because it was even a 10-bagger. Thank you, Discord. Good Lord. So Mr. P.T., for instance, here, he bought on July the 1st, folks. The expiration was July 2nd. Netflix, let me give you the strike. Yeah, he's giving us the strike here. It was 485 calls. So 485 calls, and he traded them from 26 cents to 267 cents. And this is his comment, folks. Could have had 1,800%, but did not want to risk it. And if this Discord thing is really bothering me right now. So did we have the Netflix recommendation? I thought we had so some of them. I don't know what strike we were using, but in any case, you have at least one of the 10-bagger. Facebook was a no-brainer, right? By Wednesday, this thing was trading in 237, so it was $7 in the money. Those calls, they went as high as $9. You know, the calls that we suggest here being out of the money, the highest cost is like 50 cents. That's going to give you an insight now onto why you are seeing so many 10-baggers, because obviously you buy a contract for 50 cents and then it starts going up $2, $3, and those are huge gain. And again, what gives us the confidence to buy weekly, out of the money weekly option? It's because the system that we have this signal that's are generating powerful moves. That's really what the case is. I apologize for my the Discord being a little bit sticky on here, because it's not letting us navigate, and therefore we're gonna cut this video short and leave it at that. We will be doing smaller videos that we will be sharing in the room, and just doing some specific targeted performance on each one of the individual stuff. We thank you for your time. Please, if you find value on this content, subscribe, share with your friend in social media, and we will continue to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Have a great weekend, everybody. We will catch you next week. Bye bye.